Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best catalytic converter cleaner in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaner that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Nitrox Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Enhance your vehicle's performance with Nitrox Catalytic Converter Diesel Cleaner, a potent solution designed to rejuvenate your catalytic system. This 17-fluid Oz cleaner is meticulously crafted to dissolve carbon deposits and contaminants, promoting optimal engine efficiency. The Clean Cat multipurpose formula boasts instant action, thoroughly eliminating harmful carbon and resin deposits across the entire engine, fuel, and exhaust system. This comprehensive cleaning not only enhances miles per gallon, (mpg), but also provides crucial protection for diesel particulate filters, DPFs, leading to a reduction in harmful emissions and ensuring successful passage of MO emissions tests. Ease of use is paramount. Simply pour the formula directly into the fuel tank and let it work its cleaning magic swiftly and effectively. Experience the ultimate restoration of your car's power and performance with Nitrox Clean Cat Diesel, breathing new life into your fuel and exhaust system. To maintain optimum performance, it is recommended to incorporate this solution once every 3 months. Moving on at number 4, we have the Solder It Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Solder It is also one of the well-known brands on the market for car accessories and cleaning solutions. Apart from the catalytic converter cleaner, Solder It also has many different tools and accessory sets that you would want in your car. This is a single bottle of 16 ounces catalytic converter cleaning solution which is perfect for larger applications or simultaneous cleaning of 2 or more vehicles. This is a rather strong solution for a standard catalytic converter cleaner. So, the results are definitely much better, but you need to be much more careful while using this solution. Once you use the Solder It Cat 1 Catalytic Converter Cleaner with your engine, Solder It is promising optimal engine performance, reduction of harmful gases, and also a surety to pass the emission test. This solution also works with the oxygen sensor to maintain the air intake quality. Since this is a strong solution, you won't need to use it as frequently as other choices. At number 3, we have the Liqui Moly Catalytic Converter Cleaner. Liqui Moly 8931 Catalytic System Cleaner is a powerful solution engineered to optimize your vehicle's catalytic system. Elevate your driving experience with this smart choice that not only enhances engine performance but also promotes lower emissions, resulting in a more efficient and enjoyable ride. This specially formulated cleaner boasts remarkable cleaning capabilities, effectively dissolving carbon deposits and contaminants within the catalytic converter, ensuring peak performance and a revitalized system that contributes to an eco-friendly driving experience. Experience an efficient cleaning process that rejuvenates your catalytic system and enhances fuel efficiency by unclogging and revitalizing your catalytic converter. The engine operates effectively, translating to improved mileage and reduced fuel consumption. It is quite easy to use. Just add it to your fuel tank and let it work during the normal driving routine without complex procedures and professional assistance required. It ensures a smoother engine operation by reducing rough idling, hesitation, and other performance issues. At number 2, we have the Dura Lube Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This powerful product comes in a 16 fluid ounce bottle and has a universal fit that works on all engines. Its zinc-based formula not only helps increase fuel economy but also reduces the amount of phosphorus and zinc in the catalyst inlet, protects the catalyst and maintains high-performance use before replacing a catalyst converter to get the best results. Don't let a slow engine slow you down. Improve your car's performance with Dura Lube. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cataclean Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This advanced fuel and exhaust system cleaner is designed to eliminate carbon buildup in your vehicle's catalytic converter, oxygen sensors, fuel injectors, and cylinder heads, resulting in improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. Independent emissions testing has proven that Cataclean can reduce your total hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%. It's compatible with gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and flex fuel vehicles, and does not alter fuel composition. Cataclean also helps address common drivability issues such as power reduction, hesitation, rough idle, hard starts, and lost fuel economy, allowing you to enjoy a smoother and more efficient driving experience. Using Cataclean is incredibly easy. Just pour it into your fuel tank. It's 50 states legal, compliant with regulations, and proudly made in the USA. By using Cataclean 4 times a year, you can extend the lifespan of your engine and avoid costly repairs. Upgrade your vehicle's performance and reduce your environmental impact with Mr. Gasket Cataclean.
If this video was helpful
Give
to
it a
you,
try and
please
see
make
the
a sure
difference
like,
for yourself.
comment, subscribe.